Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add Midjourney to Discord. So, adding Midjourney to Discord server is very simple. So, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how you can do it. So, let's get started. So, the first thing you have to do is to join the Midjourney Discord server. To do that, visit Midjourney's website and click Join the Beta to access their Discord server. Then log in with your Discord account if prompted. Then locate the Midjourney board. So in the Midjourney Discord server, find the Midjourney board in the member list or in one of the active channel. Then invite the board to your server. Then click on the Midjourney board profile and select and add to server. Then choose the server where you want to add the board from the drop down menu. Then after that, optimize you have to authorize the position. So follow the on-screen prompt to authorize the bot. Then ensure you have the manage server permission to complete the setup. So once the bot is added, you can use the prompt like /image to generate image in your server. And that's a simple guide on how to add Midjourney to Discord. Find this video helpful. Turn on the notification button and follow.